How to deactivate Instagram account and activate it again. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Then head over to the section of Account Center. Now navigate to the option Personal Details. Click on the option Account Ownership and Control. Now click on the option Deactivation or Deletion. Click on your Instagram username. Now select the option of Deactivate Account and click on Continue. Firstly, I'm going to deactivate my account. Now, you will need to type in the password. After you type in, click on Continue. Now, provide a reason why do you want to deactivate your account. Then click on Continue. Confirm temporary account deactivation. Click on Deactivate Account. Just with that, you have deactivated your Instagram account. Now, how can you reactivate it? It's a really simple process. You'll need to head towards the login page. Now, go ahead and provide the credentials, username, email, or the phone number, and the password. After you type in, click on Login. With that, your account will be activated. So this way, you are able to deactivate Instagram account and reactivate it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.